Okay, there's Busty Pants. We're filming now. I'm gonna try to put a cone on in here and see how this goes.
Yep.
I have a feeling he's not going to care for it. Let's see. It goes like...
Oh, he's not liking it.
No, he's not, but at least it's the right size because his neck's so big. I'm actually surprised that he's allowing me to do this right now. Okay.
Poor thing. Oh, he looks so sad in that.
I know he does, but we have to do it.
You have to do the right thing.
He looks kind of funny from an angle.
I know.
Poor thing. Poor thing.
I know, Bess. I'm sorry, but you gotta wear this for a little bit.
Just until the bee sting goes away. Maybe put it through just one loop and then.
Like that?
Yeah. And then just push it down. So I'm sorry, but oh no.
You're not. This is really difficult here. I don't understand.
Poor thing. Oh. I'm sorry, but we gotta do it. Just leave it at that.
Okay. I think that's on. See if he tries to get it off.
Okay.
Avery,
Should I stop it?
Avery, move your finger.
Do you want me to stop it, Mama?
Yeah, probably.